Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. Go to search bar, then type your task manager, then click here to open it. Once you are here, we need to click on this run new task, then click on browse button. Once we are here, go to this PC, then double click on C drive, open it, then scroll down and open Windows folder. In the Windows folder, we need to find out system32 folder, open it. Now find out cmd.exe file, select it and click on open. Now check this box, create this task with administrative privileges and click on OK. Once we're here, we need to close all the background windows and we will focus on command prompt window. Now type this command, POWERCFG space slash hibernate space on and hit enter. Then type in exit and close this window. Again go to the task manager, click here to open it, then find out the Windows Explorer, just scroll down and you can also type W to find it quickly. Select it, right click on it and click on restart. This will take few seconds to complete the process, so we need to wait for it to restart everything in the background on the desktop. Once done, close this window and then simply we need to open Windows key plus R key, press Windows key plus R key together to open run, then type here services.msc and hit enter. Then find out Windows Update. Here it is. Right click on it, select properties, set startup type as automatic, click on apply and then OK. Then restart these services. So once done, in the last step we need to right click on the start icon, go to device manager. We need to find out here batteries, simply expand it, right click on the particular adapter, go to its properties, go to drivers tab, click on update driver and select the first option, and the best driver will be installed automatically. If this don't work, you can simply right click on it, select uninstall the device and simply restart your system and problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be also a better way to fix this issue. Restart the system and problem will be solved.